Today's video is going to be fairly straightforward, fairly quick, but I wanted to review the Culligan shower head filtered. It's a filtered shower head. I wanted to review that. I've been using it for about a year now, honestly. Maybe even more than that, but this thing is awesome. It's a shower head, and I'll show you guys just in just a second, but it's a shower head that is filtered. It filters the water. Not that I have hair on my head because I shave my head. But I've just noticed like your skin doesn't get as dry. It takes out a bunch of harmful stuff out of the water. And I want to show you how much junk this thing actually catches. I have a filter right in front of me, a new replacement filter, and they last fairly long, but you know, the install is straightforward. So I'm not going to make this an install video, but it's more of a review video so you guys can see how much junk this thing catches. Here's the new filter. I'm obviously in the bathroom right now, so I'm going to show you the shower head and show you guys just how much junk this thing catches. All right, so here's the shower head, and how it works is this unscrews from here. I'm probably gonna have to use two hands. Oh, I might actually be able to do it with one hand for you guys. You just unscrew it, and there's probably gonna be some water trapped in here, but this is where the filter is gonna be hiding. So here's the filter, and you can kind of see the staining in there, like the rust and stuff. And you'll be able to tell, just you can probably see the discoloration. So this, you know, even though we're on city water, it traps a bunch of junk here. And again, I'm probably gonna have to put this down to be able to fully show you. But yeah, there's a ton of junk that these things catch. And here's the new filter. I'll show you. And it looks like this. So it's really not, you know, anything complicated about it. It's got a rubber O-ring on both sides. And it's just sealed off, but it has some active, I think, charcoal or something like that. Honestly, I don't know what the contents of it are in there. But this comes in here, and I don't think I can honestly do this with one hand. Let me put the camera down for a second. I'll pull this out and I'll show you the two. All right, so there it is there. And what I did want to show you is you can see that the rust at this point is making its way through the filter. So this thing has been in there for far too long, I'll admit. So you can see it's rust color on both sides. Normally, if you changed it at a decent interval, you wouldn't have this issue. It would be filtering, but yeah, contaminants have made its way through both sides of the filter at this point. So I'm gonna just clean this out. And it's pretty simple. You just slide this back in here, screw it back on, and you're back in business. So we'll take the new filter. If I can pick this stuff off. I'll peel the sticker, sealing it off on both sides. They really don't make the sticker easy to come off, but whatever. Okay, so I mean, there's some simple instructions. It says, before installation, open shower assembly, remove things, install filter, close shower, flush with hot water for 1 minute before use. It's the only thing they really say about it. There's no direction on it, so we'll just slide this in there. Once we're done sliding it in there, we can just screw this back on. Very straightforward. And we have filtered water again. All right, so that's it, you guys. Very straightforward, but it's something that I've used and I wanted to show you guys. Obviously, you know, for me, hair is not an issue, but people that have used it and have showered with that, they've commented that their hair was a lot softer. And I noticed for myself that my skin's not as dry with using those, as long as you keep up on the filter. I would say every 3 to 6 months you want to change it, but it really depends how much you're using your shower. Anyways, you guys, if you have any questions, be sure to ask a question in the comments below. And I want you guys to let me know. Do you guys think that it matters? Do you guys use this? Have you ever heard of it? Be sure to leave a comment in the comments below, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Take care.